मिनिस्ट्री रिशफलिंग जावपा हा.
आमचो चीफ मिनिस्टर डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत काम करीत आहा.
Politics is a game of perception, power, and sometimes a little bit of mystery. In Goa, a new political whisper is making the rounds. BJP MLA Michael Lobo's name has been linked to a cabinet reshuffle. But he says he's not in that race. Is it political posturing, a strategic move, or just another layer of Goa's ever-dynamic political landscape? Let's decode the story.
विजयान आमकां आदी हेल्प केला आपल्याक मुख्यमंत्री करपाक तो वावुरला.
The speculation started when Speaker Ramesh Tawadkar hinted at a possible reshuffle in Goa's cabinet. He named a few key MLAs who could be inducted, including Michael Lobo. But when confronted in the assembly, Lobo just smiled and said, "I am not in that race." Now, in politics, a smile often says more than words. What makes this interesting is that Lobo has been critical of the government in recent times, but suddenly he's all praises, especially for Chief Minister Pramod Sawant's initiatives like Swayam and the St. Francis Xavier Exposition.
जे एक्सपोजिशन ह्या फावटी जालें स्पीकर सर, हे म्हाका दिसता ऑपोजिशनांतलो एक पासून आमदार म्हणूंक शकना की हे रॉंग जालें, हे रॉंग जालें, हे रॉंग जालें. जे स्वयंपूर्ण गोवाचें काम चालू केलां स्पीकर सर, तेचेर उलोयता तितले उणे आहा.
That shift didn't go unnoticed. Goa Forward Party's Vijay Sardesai was quick to call it out.
बरे उलोवंक लागलो स्वयंपूर्ण आत्मनिर्भर मित्र ते बरे आहा बोला हा वयस तुम्ही जे प्रेडिक्शन केला सॉर्ट जावपाची आहा म्हणटी म्हाका खरी दिसता.
In response, Lobo simply smiled. A politician's way of neither confirming nor denying. But let's look at the bigger picture. The reshuffle buzz gained momentum after the speaker suggested that changes could be expected in the next fortnight.
माझ्या माहितीनुसार आता विषय असताना पुढल्या 5 दिवसांमध्ये पूर्ण या विषयाचे पूर्णनाम लागतो.
Names like Digambar Kamath, Nilesh Kabral, and Sankalp Amonkar are also in the mix. The BJP may be considering a reconfiguration, perhaps to balance power or reward loyalty. But is Lobo really in contention? So what happens next? Will the reshuffle actually take place? Will Lobo make a surprise entry, or is he playing a long-term game? Politics, as they say, is all about timing. For now, the race continues, with or without Michael Lobo. We'll keep a close watch on the developments. Drop a comment on what you think on the scenario. Stay tuned to Goa Connect for more on Goa Political League. I'm Rohit Vadkar, signing off. Thank you for watching.
हांव ते रेसीन ना सद्याक तरी.